Good afternoon, students. Today we are going to discuss chapter 3, playing with numbers, exercise 3.6. First question. The question is given: find the LCM and HCF of the following numbers. In that I taken third question, 12, 48. Then after, check their relationship. The question what Nana? Check their relationship. Okay. Now, first of all, I am going to find the LCM and HCF, least common multiple and highest common factor of 12 and 48. Now, see its solution. I am choosing prime factorization method to find the LCM and HCF. I am finding the numbers. The numbers are 12. The prime factors of 12 what Nana? That are 2. 2 6 are 12, and again 2 only. 2 3s are 6, and again I am taking 3. 3 1s are 3. Okay, and the prime factors of 48. You can take 2. 2 24s are 48. 2 12s are 24, and 2 6 are 12, and 2 3s are 6, 3 1s are 3. So you can express the prime factors of 48 like this. Thus the prime factors of 12 we can write it as 2 into 3, and the prime factors of we can write 48, that is equals to 2 into again 2 into 3. Okay, so is there any common factors to both 12 and 48? You just see now. Yeah, 2 is common factor to both, and again 2, and 3 also. Yes, these 2, 2, 3. These 3 are the common factors for 12 and 48. Now you can find their HCF, highest common factor. First of all, I am finding HCF, highest common factor of 12, 48. That is equals to, in group nunchi you take one number, that is one factor, 2 into, from this group also you take it as 2 into, from this group you take it as 3. Okay, now only the common factors. Okay, so 2 2s are 4, 4 3s are 12. So we get the HCF of 12 and 48 is what Nana? That is 12 only. And LCM, least common multiple of 12, 48 is equals to, first of all, what are the common numbers? Indlo unna common numbers usual ga rasayanడి. From this group, that is 2, and from this group also 2, and from this group also you can write 3. Then after, the non-common numbers, what are they? 2 and 2. Okay, now these 2 also you must include. 2 into 2. Then we get 2 2s are 4, multiply 2 2s are 4, 4 3s are 12, 12 2s are 24, 24 2s are 48. We get LCM, least common multiple is what Nana? 48. So now checking the relation. What is the relation? The relation is LCM into HCF is equals to product of the two numbers. Product of the two numbers. What is the relation now? The relation is the product of their LCM, the product of LCM and HCF, and that is nothing but LCM into HCF is equals to product of the two numbers. Let us verify this. LCM means we get LCM what number? That is 48. 48 into HCF, highest common factor, what number? That is 12, is equals to, what are the two numbers? The two numbers are 12, the product is nothing but multiplication, 12 into 48. So clearly both are same numbers now, 48 into 12, 12 into 48. So LHS is equals to RHS. Okay, so this is the relation. Because of 48 into 12 చేస్తే నీకు ఏదైతే వస్తుందో ఆన్సర్ అగైన్ అదే ఉల్టానే కదా, రివర్స్లో ఉంది కదా, 12 into 48. లక్కీలీ బై వితౌట్ డూయింగ్ సొల్యూషన్ ఓన్లీ హియర్, వితౌట్ మల్టిప్లైయింగ్ వీ కెన్ జడ్జ్ ఇట్. బికాస్ ఆఫ్ the 48 into 12 what we get, and 12 into 48 also we get the term. So LHS is equals to RHS. So this is the relation. Okay, now see the one more questions in this model, that is if the LCM of two numbers is 216. Second question is given, if the LCM, least common multiple of two numbers, if the LCM of two numbers is 216 and their product is 7,776. What will be its HCF? What will be its HCF, highest common factor? Okay, so this is the question. You try to read the question carefully. The data, what is the useful data? If the LCM, least common multiple of two numbers, is 260. Already LCM is given, and their product, okay na? The product of two numbers is given what na? 7,776. You write that only. The given data, the LCM, least common multiple of two numbers, the least common multiple of two numbers is equals to 216, and their product, okay na, their product is equals to, that is 7,776. What is the relation? That is LCM into HCF is equals to product of the two numbers. This is the relation. Yes or no? Now LCM means already given. What is the LCM now? That is 216. 216 into HCF means we don't know, that is equals to product of the two numbers, that is given 7,776. Okay, now if we transpose 216 from LHS to RHS, we get HCF is equals to, highest common factor is equals to, that is 7,776 by, into quantities becomes what na? Division quantity. Okay na? Let us go for the division. I am using two table. 2 tens are 20, 2 8s are 16. So 2 108s are 216. Here also 1's place digit is 6 means I am using 2 only. 2 3s are 6. Here 1 is there, beside number is 7 means 17. 2 8s are 16. Again here 1 is there, beside number is 7 means that is 17. 2 8s are 16. Again here 1 is there, here beside number is 6. 2 8s are 16. Again I am using 2 table. 2 5s are 10, 2 4s are 8, means 2 54s are 108, and here also 2 19s are 38, 2 4s are 8, and 2 4s are 8. Again I am taking HCF is equals to highest common factor is equals to, that is 1944 by 54. Again I am using 2 table only. The unit table is 4. 2 27s are 54, 2 9s are 18. Here 1 is there. The set number is 4, means that is 14. 2 7s are 14, and 2 2s are. And this time I am using 9 table, because of the sum of the digits 9 7 2, that is 18, means it is exactly divisible by 9. And the sum of the digits 2 7, that is also 9, it is also exactly divisible by 9. 9 3s are 27, 9 10s are 90, and 9 8s are 70. Okay. Next I am using 3 table. 3 1s are 3 3s are 9. Here 1 is there. Beside number is 8, means 18. 3 6s are 18. So HCF, highest common factor, is equals to, we get what number, that is 36. So this is the required answer for this question. Okay students. Okay students, now see one more question. The question is given, the HCF, the highest common factor of 2 numbers is what nana? 6. The given data, given HCF of 2 numbers, that is equals to 6, and their LCM is equals to, given what nana? Their LCM is given 36. And if one of the numbers is 12, find the other. One of the number that is equals to 12, find the other number. Would have a relation. What is that one? LCM into HCF is equals to product of the 2 numbers. Okay. LCM into HCF is equals to product of the 2 numbers. Now what I am doing here, simply substituting. LCM means, that is what nana? 36. 36 into HCF means, that is 6, is equals to the product of the 2 numbers. ఈ 2 numbers లో ఒక నెంబర్ ఇచ్చాడు. వాట్ ఈస్ దట్ వన్? దట్ ఈస్ 12. And we don't know the other number. Another number మనకు తెలియదు. That's why you take it as x. Okay. Now 12 is transposed into LHS. That is 36 into 6 by into quantities becomes a division quantity. That is equals to x. 12 1s are 12, 12 3s are 36. Okay. Now 3 into 6. Therefore, we get x is equals to 3. 6 are what nana? 18. So what is the another number? The another number x is equals to what? 8. So this is the required solution for this question. So in the same manner, you to try the first main problems, finding the LCM and HCF, and check the relation. Okay students, thank you.